Good afternoon, it's Wyoming Dan. I'm up here at Meadowlark Lake. Thought I'd try a little luck at my fishing. I've got the little boat. This is my little Coleman 2-man. Got my electric motor right here, the Minn Kota. We have some cold weather. It's about 40 degrees outside. I was expecting a little bit of cold weather. We have the fog is rolled in, but I thought I just needed to get away and try a little fishing and enjoy God's beautiful country. Hoping all of you have a wonderful day. You guys take care and God bless.